Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys what is lock screen sound, how to on and use guys screen lock sound and screen unlock sound guys on oppo phone device. So before starting video then first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends now let's see guys how to on and use screen lock and unlock sound on oppo phone device. Friend first of all open your phone setting. So friends we will on phone setting. After on phone setting friends you can see this type of interface. Friends scroll it. Friends you can see guys your oppo phone sound and vibration setting guys. Friends click on phone sound and vibration. Friends you can see phone vibrate setting, vibrate on ring, vibrate on silent, silent mode setting. So friends scroll it. Friends you want to on do not disturb. So friends you can on and use your do not disturb from here guys. Friends you can see phone ringtone setting, notification ringtone. Friends you want to set ringtone, so you can set ringtone and you can change it. Friends now you can see more sound and haptic. So I tap here. Friends you can see first dial pad tone you want to on. So when you will enter on your dial pad, so you can use your dial pad sound. So friends we will on screen lock sound guys. Screen lock sound, and guys come back how to use. Friends first we will lock phone. So when you will lock phone, and guys when you will unlock your phone, first okay let me increase volume. Friends you can see when we will lock phone and unlock phone. So friends you can use guys your screen lock and unlock sound. And friends you don't want to use, so friends click on again guys your more sound and haptic option, and guys when you will off, so guys your sound will not work. Friends you can see you can lock your phone without any sound, and we can unlock phone without any sound. So like the guy we can on and use guys screen lock sound on oppo phone device. Friends you want to on, you want to use, so you can on from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to on and use screen lock and unlock sound on oppo phone. So bye guys.